These are the dedicated tools and materials required. Do refer to the manual for specifications, supplied accessories, and unit dimensions. Avoid the following locations for installation: under direct sunlight, location near heat source, uneven surface, location where the controller will be splashed with water or affected by dampness or humidity, location that is subject to excessive vibration or physical impacts. Lastly, location with source of electrical noise. The specification for power supply wiring is to have a flexible wire of 2 square millimeter power supply cable that follows IEC standard and a total wire length of 30 meter or less. The specification for inter-unit control wiring is to have a flexible shielded wire of 0.5 to 2 square millimeter and a total wire length of 1000 meter or less. Connect the inter-unit control wiring as shown in the diagram. When connecting interface adapter, read the installation manual supplied with each product. Remove the 2 screws to remove the terminal cover. Connect the power supply wiring to the power supply terminal board. Be sure to connect the earth wiring to the earth terminal. Connect the inter-unit control to the U1 and U2 terminals, as well as grounding. Finally, attach the cover and tighten the 2 screws. Do not run the inter-unit control wiring through the same conduit as the power supply or run close to the power supply line. Use different inter-unit control wiring and power supply wiring so they can be differentiated visually. To mount, first remove the control panel with a flat screwdriver. Next, pull out the connector while pushing the claw. Then, insert the controller to the switch box supplied. Mount the bottom case with the power supply pad attached. The diagram shows the cross-section view of the embedded state. Connect the connector and push it in until the claw clicks. Lastly, attach the control panel from above and push it in until a clicking sound is heard. After installation, proceed to configuration. Please refer to the instruction booklet before your installation.
Panasonic.